Okay, this video is for 10.4a, multiplying trinomials. So yesterday we worked with binomials. We talked about the area model and we talked about FOIL again, which is kind of a review of some stuff we've done in the past. And we talked about what it's like to multiply coefficients together and multiply the variables. So we're going to do the same thing today, but we're going to do it on a bigger scale. We're going to do binomials times trinomials and trinomials times trinomials. So the area model will look bigger, the FOIL will be bigger, and we'll have to combine like terms and stuff like that. So let's do one of each of those examples. Let's start with number 7, binomial times a trinomial. So as you can see, on this side of our area model, there's only 2 boxes, so we need to put the binomial here. The binomial is this one, the one with 2 terms, 2x to the third and 4. And then on the top, you've got 3 boxes, so one for each of the terms in the trinomial, 3x squared, 5x, and 2. So, like we talked about yesterday, this box comes from multiplying the 2 terms on its border. This box, same thing, 2 terms on its border, this box, and so on from the bottom. So, for our first box, we have 2x cubed times 3x squared. Multiply the coefficients, 2 times 3 is 6, and then multiply the variables. X cubed times x squared, remember add the exponent, so this is x to the 5th. Alright, for the box just to the right of that, 2x cubed times 5x, that's 10x to the 4th, and then 2x cubed times 2 is 4x cubed. Now moving down, bottom left, 4 times 3x squared is 12x squared, 4 times 5x is 20x, and 4 times 2 is 8. Now it's nice on this one, we don't have any like terms, so on this equals line down here, we just rewrite what we have in the box, starting with the x to the 5th term because it's biggest. So 6x to the 5th plus 10x to the 4th plus 4x to the 3rd plus 12x to the 2nd, need more space, plus 20x plus 8. And that is our final answer. Now let's move to the back and do one more. Let's work with a trinomial times a trinomial. Alright. Now, there's 3 boxes on the top and 3 on the left, so it doesn't matter which one we put where. I'm going to put this one on the left side, 2x to the 4th, negative 5x to the 3rd, x squared. Remember to keep the negatives with the term that they're on. So then, on the top, it's going to be 3x cubed, 6x squared, and minus 4x. Alright, here we go. 2x to the 4th times 3x cubed is 6x to the 7th. 2x to the 4th times 6x squared is 12x to the 6th. And 2x to the 4th times negative 4x is negative 8x to the 5th. Then negative 5x cubed times 3x cubed is negative 15x to the 6th. Negative 5x cubed times 6x squared is negative 30x to the 5th. And then negative 5x cubed times negative 4x is 20x to the 4th. Last row, x squared times 3x cubed is 3x to the 5th. X squared times 6x squared is 6x to the 4th. And x squared times negative 4x is negative 4x cubed. Now if you notice something, each diagonal are like terms. Everything in the blue circle is x to the 6th, everything in the red circle is x to the 5th, and everything in this black circle is x to the 4th. So we need to combine those when we rewrite it on the bottom here. So as you can see, 6x to the 7th, that's its own term, so that stays there, goes first. Now we'll combine the x to the 6th terms. So negative 15x to the 6 plus 12x to the 6 is negative 3x to the 6. Red one's a little harder to combine. The two negative ones, negative 8x to the 5th and negative 30x to the 5th, make negative 38x to the 5th. And then negative 38x to the 5th plus 3x to the 5th is negative 35x to the 5th. And then 20x to the 4th plus 6x to the 4th is 26x to the 4th. And then our last term, oh, that's bad. And our last term is negative 4x cubed. And this is our final answer.